Okay.
Step number 1, we'll do this.
And it is fun.
These two,
Put on the floor, baby. I can't see.
like this.
Okay, number 1 done. Okay, move to number 2. So number 1 I'll
It's
remove.
very difficult for number 2, but
Okay,
I
I'll see.
figured it out.
Okay, number 2 is done. Where is number 3? And there's number 5. We'll start step by step, okay? Because complexity changes. Okay, 1 and 2 are done. Okay, number 3.
It's kind of.
It's okay, you try. No worries. It would take time, lot of thinking. I want purple there, Sanvi. Yes, yeah. Yes. Got it? Number 3 is done. Okay, let's go to number 4. This is number 4. You can eat guava along with. Go number 4. Oh man, you did so fast. Okay.
It's only folded up.
Okay. I did number 4. Number 5.
Like this?
No. See crosses on the opposite corners. They're not over on the top and bottoms here. They're on the corners. Okay. So you have to.
These two.
Yeah. So I think you need these two, right? Huh. The same thing on the front and back. Calmly, Sia, calmly. Think which faces you want to see. Oh, it's easy. I figured out. Correct. Then, yay! You did it. You finished this game.
How about Mama, I do it in 1 second, all of them?
You can't do in 1 second all of them.
Can.
Okay, let's see. Let's start.
First.
See, तुझे जो 1 second होता कितना है?
What?
1 second होता कितना है? It's okay.
I do it to 4 minutes.
4 minutes. You did it 2.5 minutes. Yes, you anyways did good.
1
Okay.
minute.
1 minute. Okay, let's start 1 minute. Can you do these things in 1 minute, all of them?
No, 1 minute each.
Sia, you're cheating. Chalo, say bye-bye.
This.
Bye.